All right, I think we're ready to tackle that kitchen finally. So I think I'll just go into house here and find myself an architect. Let's see, 646. Well, maybe I'll go through the top few here, top 10. I don't know. Oh, 2,500. Wow, that's a lot. How am I supposed to get through all that? Oh, okay, 2,800. What? What? Here's the problem with selling design. Every design firm does it. And to an uneducated client, which is most of them, that's why they need us in the first place, it all looks and sounds the same. How is your ideal client supposed to understand what separates you from all the other designers in your market, who went to the same school, who have the same credentials, who write the same proposals, who have pretty much the same websites, and who kind of sound and look all alike? You have to stop selling design and start selling stories. Hey, Jay Krakowski here, founder of Profitect by Design, helping great designers find their ideal clients. I hear from design firm owners all the time who feel like they're always in a race to the bottom on fees, who are always writing proposal after proposal after proposal, who are going back and forth with their potential clients because the client feels that they need to micromanage each and every step of the process. And all that's happening before they can actually start designing anything. That's also assuming that they're getting calls in the first place. If you're still selling design, your phone may or may not be ringing off the hook. If you're still selling design, in a way, it's perpetuating the notion that the services that we provide are a commodity. And we both know nothing could be further from the truth. To set yourself apart from the rest, you should be telling and selling stories. Stories of your clients' journeys in creating those great, functional, efficient, transformative spaces. And yes, part of the stories that you produce should include the process that you take your clients through, the details and materials that you select, the drawings that you produce, but all of those shouldn't be the end-all be-all of your marketing. Your marketing content needs to tell the stories of your past and potential clients with clarity and with emotion. Those stories should focus on the transformation and the outcomes and the journey. After all, people buy based on emotion, not on a list of deliverables. So, do you want to know what a Profitect sells instead? It's bringing a family together in a new kitchen. It's creating memorable spaces for celebrating the holidays. It's a space to welcome a new addition to the family. It's the success of a long-standing business now in a newly renovated office space. And it's building community around a neighborhood's new restaurant. Notice I didn't mention design development or a list of deliverables or the number of meetings that you would include in your proposal. So, how do you tell those stories in your marketing? How do you bring emotion to the forefront of your online content? How do you check your credentials and list of deliverables at the door and truly connect with your ideal clients? First, hit that subscribe button and notification bell below so you know all about future videos. Then click the link in the description below to watch my free online workshop, The Profitect Blueprint, right now, on demand, where I'll break down the 5 critical insights that you need to understand to stop selling design services as that unseen architect and move your business forward as today's Profitect. I'll see you in the workshop.